welcome to this tutorial once more. Today I'm going to get what you call the charts in Microsoft Word. So the first thing that I'm going to do is launch Microsoft Word. So launch Microsoft Word, then wait for it to launch, then choose blank document, then you're going to head on to the insert tab. So go to insert tab, then from there you need to find the group code illustrations, then choose charts. So click on the chart, and we have all these types of charts that you can use to represent your data. So in this case, we are going to work with the pie. So command pie, then choose the type of a pie that you want, then insert OK. So you now see a spreadsheet that is going to be used for us to enter the data into this pie chart. So we have this spreadsheet that we can use to enter the details. So we are going to say sales. What's the title? So they are going to put sensors, whatever title that you want to use. Then let's say we are counting people from Osaka, and in Osaka we add 5,000 people. Then we also counted Kawe, so just type in all the details, and in Kawe we added 2,000 people. Then we also counted Kapiri Poshi, so just put in Kapiri Posh, and there we are 1,500 people. Then the last point that we counted was Nkushi, so just type in Nkushi, and we had 900 people in Nkushi. So once you're done typing all these, all you need to do is just close the spreadsheet, and we have all these details. Then we can format our pie chart. We start with the heading, so you just click on the heading, then go to Home tab. So there on the Home tab, you can change the font size, the font. I'll use Avenir. So you can use any of the fonts that you want. Then I'll change this to black, and if I so wish, I can put it in bold and increase the size. Then you can even center it if you want line spacing. We have all that. Then you have also the design. You have also the format tab. So once you insert a chart, you'll be able to see these two tabs opening up. So you have the design and also the format tab. So all these tabs, they contain the tools that can be used on this type of a pie chart that you have inserted. So we can also do more of this. If we want, to can just change the size of all those things. Go to Home tab and increase the size. You can also change to whatever handwriting that you want, and I'll get Avenir. Then I'll use black as the color. So you can do anything we want with that one. Then remember, we are putting in the details of the towns that we are counting, and in this case, if you check, you're not able to see those details. So all you need to do is go to Format tab, Calc Design. Then from there, we can look at what we need to put in that. Or so we have what you call the chart elements here. Command on the chart elements. Then go to what data labels. Then choose where you want to put those labels. If it's a call out, you command call out. Then just start adjusting these. You can adjust all of them according to how you want them to be. Yes. So once you are done with that one, you can now just format the colors, the fonts. So in this case, let's put black. They have all have changed. Then we can also work with the handwriting, the format, the font. Use whatever font that you want, and I have all these showing all the portion, all the parts of what a circle. So the other way of putting the data labels is by using just the plus sign here that you are seeing. It's also the shortcut for chart elements. Then you choose what you want to put. If the title is not showing, you can go to the title, and now you can find. So if I check the title, you see that disappeared. Then if I just check it again, you have it back. Then you can just format it, change to black. Then again, we are going to bring it to Avenir, and you can increase the size to whatever size that you want. So legends are these details, the titles of the towns where we want to count. These, if you don't want them to show, you can just deactivate the legend. And if you want them to show, you come back. Now here they have come back to the wrong point where they were not there, so you can just change. So you have right, top, left. So just command top if you want them to go at the top, and bottom if you want them to be at the bottom. Then like we did earlier on, we format them, put if you want to bold, and you can change the handwriting or the font, so quote, and also change the size, and we have inserted our pie chart. So this is how basically you can insert a chart in Microsoft Word, as simple as that. So we shall continue from there on how you can insert other charts. So thank you very much for your time.